Did you know that Facebook users watch over 8 billion videos every single day? And it's all about Reels. Video has become one of the most powerful ways to connect with your audience. And with this update to Facebook Feed Pro, you can now take full control of how that content appears on your site. Today, we're introducing a brand new feature that lets you decide exactly what kind of video content to display, whether it's Reels only, traditional videos only, or a mix of both. This gives you the flexibility to curate your video feeds to match your marketing goals perfectly. Let's take a look at how this works. Once you've updated your plugin, click Add New to create a new Facebook feed. Select the Facebook Videos feed type and connect your account. Choose your preferred template and theme to see your feed instantly. By default, your feed will display both Reels and regular videos together. But now, when you open up the Settings tab and head to the Filters menu, you'll find a new drop-down menu. Here, you can select whether you want to show both video types, Reels only, or videos only. Select the one you want, click Save, embed your feed, and your filtered videos will appear instantly on your site. This new option opens up so many creative possibilities. For example, if you're a restaurant owner, you can use Reels to highlight quick clips of your dishes or behind-the-scenes prep. Or if you're a coach or educator, you can show powerful video tutorials for inspiring success stories. With this new update, your Facebook video feed can now align perfectly with your brand's content strategy, whether you're going for quick engagement or in-depth storytelling. You can update Facebook Feed Pro today and start curating your video feed with precision and purpose, all inside WordPress. And as always, subscribe to Smashville for more updates, tutorials, and smart ways to grow your audience through social media.